TV18 exclusive now. Smartphone exports from India have risen 55% on an annual basis during the April to August period this year. Industry sources have said that India's smartphone exports to US alone have risen a whopping 193% during the same period, with Apple accounting for lion's share of the exports. Ashmit Kumar has this exclusive.
Well, despite the global uncertainty, smartphone shipments from India, exports from India to the rest of the world are clocking some handsome growth figures. We're given to understand that for the period of April to August of 2025, we're given to understand for this 5-month period, Indian smartphone exports have gone up to $11.7 billion. That's a growth of 55%. Specifically to the United States, a big market that Indian smartphone makers are catering to. For the Indian shipments to the United States alone, that's gone up from $2.88 billion in April to August of 2024. That's gone up to almost $8.5 billion in 2025. That's a growth of 193%. Now, bear in mind, as far as shipments to the United States are concerned, Apple is a large contributor. What about Apple shipments, Apple exports to the world? Well, that's gone up to $8.5 billion, clocking a growth of 77%. And that's up from $4.8 billion, again, in the same period of last year. Speaking of shipments to the United States, what industry experts tell us is that the months of August and September are a bit of a lean period. There's a lean patch in these 2 months that has been witnessed. But even for the month of August, the numbers clocked as far as shipments to the United States are concerned, it was up by almost 250%, clocking almost $1 billion in exports of smartphone exports from India to the United States. And that's for the month of August alone. And finally, we're given to understand that in light of this pace that has been shown in terms of exports, this overall export figure for the whole of FY26 is likely to go up to as high as $33 billion, which will be substantially higher as compared to $24.1 billion that was clocked in FY25.
With that, it's a wrap on this edition of News Center. More news and updates continue right here.